go.
Man, back with another video. Today I'm not really gonna be doing much of nothing. I gotta go pick up some more lug nuts and wash the car and everything and put the wheel lock nut on there. So yeah. Alright, so I am at the shop. I'm about to replace the lug nuts and the cobra wheels. Shit, I went to AutoZone just a few minutes ago. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so I'm about to be putting these on there, and that's gonna be better than the stock ones that I got. You see that? Negative, so I gotta get these. These look good too. So put them on both sides, and then put the wheel locks right here. The buddy that sold me the cobra wheels, he gave me these. So yeah, I definitely need to put them on. And I took my baby to go get washed too. She look good. I just gotta find the fronts. I found some, but they was like, they weren't the chrome ones though. I need to find the chrome ones. So I'm still be looking out for them soon. I'm gonna try to get them by next week, next 2 weeks. So I'm gonna try to get them. Alright, so that side there, we got the wheels on now. She got the old ones. I knew that wasn't good up there. And then once I get the first 2 wheels, I'll do the cobra bumper, and then I'ma just lower it. Cause I seen on eBay, they're like $100 for payment. So that's what I'ma do next. So that side there, we got the wheels on now. She got the old ones. I knew that wasn't good up there. Once I get the first 2 wheels, I'll do the cobra bumper, and then I'ma just lower it. Cause I seen on eBay, they're like $100 for payment. So that's what I'ma do next. Alright, what to do, YouTube, man? It is the next day. I went ahead and put the wheel lock and lug nuts on there. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna do this weekend, I'm gonna go to Florida and get a muffler delete on it. I think it's gonna look real good. So we're gonna do that then, and then also I'm gonna try to order the wheels Friday too as well for the front. And then I already got some tires so I can put on there. Goddamn nits. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do this weekend coming up. So just stay tuned. I probably just put all of this in one little video. I don't know. Cause the lug nuts it was like a short video. I ain't really filmed too much cause I know people ain't want no camera in their face. So yeah, that's what I might do. I might just make this all one video and then it'll just be throughout the week type. So yeah, just stay tuned for it.